ADAMA Limited has reported its financial result for the fourth quarter and full year period ended December 31, 2021. Commenting on the result, Ignacio Dominguez, President and CEO of ADAMA, said, 2021 was an outstanding year of exceptional growth. It was a very difficult year with many challenges, including massive cost increases of raw materials and intermediates, as well as significantly higher shipping and logistic costs and container shortages. Hello, I am Sudhi Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited, an industry leader and pioneer in engines, power generating sets and agriculture equipment, has been instrumental in transforming the lives of people across the globe for several decades now. With its vision to make a positive impact in the customer lives by launching new products and services, Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited launches high-efficiency, low-voltage electric motor that will power machine in all applications across industry. On this note, Atul Kirloskar, Executive Chairman, stated, "We have always come up with products and solutions to satisfy our customer and help them to save costs. Keeping the tradition going, we are excited to introduce our new range of Kirloskar motors." Agrichem major UPL is eyeing a 5-fold expansion for its ProNutiva program in groundnut that seeks to enhance the yield through a different set of practices to over 10 lakh across in Gujarat in forthcoming Kharif season. Ashish Dobal, Regional Director of India at UPL, said Gujarat is the largest producer of the groundnut in the country and the ProNutiva program was implemented in about 2 lakh acres in the state during 2021 to 2022 season. The program has resulted in an increased groundnut yield of around 35 to 40% and production of fodder by a similar margin and increase in oil content. Kalyan Goswami, Director General of Agrichem Federation of India, visited Krishi Jagran Media House and met with founder and editor-in-chief of Krishi Jagran, MC Dominic, and Director of Krishi Jagran, Shiny Dominic, and P.S. Saini, Senior Vice President of Corporate Communication and Public Relations, and they discussed regarding upcoming scheme in agriculture sector. Danfoss Group has launched an all-new production line for hydrostatic in all state-of-the-art facility in Pimpri, Pune to cater to the demand of the local agriculture sector. Danfoss is the first organization to manufacturing capability of hydrostatics transmission solution in India. Eric Elstrom, President of Danfoss Power Solutions, said, "Danfoss has a long and proud history in India, and the addition of our location in Pimpri and Magarpatta will add to our footprint and further opportunities in India. A market will see significant investment from Danfoss in the year to come, given its immense growth potential." Syngenta unveiled 2 new tools to help growers manage weeds in their corn and soybean field at Commodity Classic on March 10. Tendovo soybean herbicide and Accurant corn herbicide. Peter Eure, technical product lead for Syngenta, said, "Tendovo Syngenta new emergent soybean herbicide received EPA registration in the mid-Feb. We are really excited about Tendovo moving forward because it has that broad spectrum of weed control that growers are looking for." Mahindra Group announces that it has increased its stake in Agritech startup Carnot Technologies to around 69%. As part of the round, an attractive ESOP pool for future employees has been created. Carnot will use the undisclosed funding to continue developing its technology and expand its team over the next year. India is finally allowing gene-edited crop as normal bred crop in its line with global regulatory environment and will tremendously help develop new breeding materials without going through transgenic regulation route. Agritech startup FarMart has raised $32 million in Series B round led by General Catalyst, existing investor Matrix Partner India and OVR Network India also participated in the round. The startup will use these funds to invest in R&D, automation and technology. Alek Sanghera, CEO and co-founder of FarMart, said, "We have built a retailer-centric solution at the intersection of data, hyperlogical serviceability and underutilized assets." The UN Food Chief warned that the war in Ukraine has created a catastrophe on top of a catastrophe and will have a global impact beyond anything we have seen since World War II. Because many of the Ukrainian farmers who produce a significant amount of the world wheat are now fighting Russians. David Beasley, Executive Director of the UN World Food Programme, told the UN Security Council that already high food prices are skyrocketing. His agency was feeding 125 million people around the world before Russia's invasion of Ukraine on February 24, and Beasley said it has to start cutting their rations because of rising food, fuel and shipping costs. For more such agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.